So, hi friends, my name is Ananya and my today's topic is a type of chemical reaction. So, friends, let's get started without wasting any time because time is so initial. So, friends, there are four type of chemical reaction. First one is a combination reaction. Second one is a decomposition reaction. Third one is a displacement reaction, and fourth one is a double displacement reaction. So, these are type of chemical reaction. So let's start with first reaction. First reaction is combination reaction. So friends, combination reaction means when two or more reactant combine in a reaction to form a single product. It's called a combination reaction. So this example is 2 Mg plus O2. It's give 2 MgO. So our definition is two or more reactants are combined in reaction to form a single product. It's very simple definition and it's very simple reaction also. So friends, come on our definition once more. Two or more reactants combine in a reaction to form a single product. You say this so many difficult definition. How to remind this reaction, this definition is very simple. We are get our chemical reaction. So equation 2 or more, you don't see there, okay. 2 or more reactant combine in reaction to form a single product. This is very simple, okay. One more example. NH3 plus HCl. It's give one atom of iron, this 3H and this 1H, and H4Cl. Okay. Two or more reactants combine in reaction to form a single product. So combination reaction is in this. We are going to decomposition reaction. Okay. Decomposition reaction is very simple. Our decomposition reaction definition is the chemical reaction in which two or more product are formed form a single reactant. It's called decomposition reaction. This one is very simple. Our decomposition reaction example is very simple. We get one reaction, one equation, 2H2O 2H2O, it's give 2H2 plus O. It's very simple. Two or more products are formed form a single reactant. This one is a single reactant and this one two or more product. This one is very simple. We take one more equation. Will not take. So two or more products are form a single reactant. Its one is very simple. Two or more products are form a single product reactant. It's very simple. So we are going to third reaction. Its one is a displacement reaction. So our third reaction is displacement reaction. In that displacement reaction, definition is the reaction in which the place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its own ions. So it's mean the place of ions of a less reactive element in a compound. The place of ion of a less reactive element in a compound means in that compound one is a less reactive element in a compound is taken by another more reactive element by formation of its ion. This one is very also simple. So friends, we are going to next reaction. So friends, our fourth reaction is double displacement reaction. The definition is the ions in the reactants are exchanged to form a precipitate. The ions in the reactant, in that reaction, ions are exchanged to form a precipitate. Reactions are exchanged to form a precipitate. Means there's BaSO4 and ClZn means ZnCl2. It's very a simple reaction. The ions in the reactor are exchanged to form a precipitate. In that reaction, two ions are present in the reactor are exchanged to form a precipitate. Their exchange their place to precipitate. So friends, our fourth reaction are complete. So these were very simple. You remember this reaction. It's very simple. So friends, meet again with a new 10th class topic. So friends, and now I am only in 9th standard. But I tell you, or 10th class, math, science, any subject you ask me. So friends, bye now and meet again with a new 10th class topic. Bye.